Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on quiet mode on Instagram. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. What you want to do is you want to head over to your Facebook profile, just like this, and you want to go to the top right corner of your screen at the three stripes. Then you want to click on settings and privacy, and here we're going to simply type in quiet, and then you will find this option called quiet mode. Here you can enable and disable quiet mode, but if you want to enable it, we simply flick the switch and then some options come available. You can choose the start time and end time of your quiet mode, and you can even make an entire schedule on when this quiet mode should run. For example, I want to make it run on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Then all I need to do is click on those days, and then I simply make sure to choose when it starts and when it ends, and then I just make sure that quiet mode is enabled. And yeah, that's basically how you can use and how you can turn on quiet mode on Instagram. So if you learned something from this video, then I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.